Oh, hi everyone. Thanks so much for showing up for your math learning. It's Tutor Grant, and I got asked this question about the JMK 16, so let's talk about how we would approach a solution. First of all, we want to think about this caterpillar that's kind of random in its behavior, right? It turns either 90 degrees either left or right all the time. And it moves 2 meters in the first hour, followed by 3 meters, 4 meters, etc. Okay? And we want to know the greatest distance that it can be away from its starting position after 7 hours. So the first thing that we got to realize is if it ever goes if it goes say this way 2, and then this way 3, and then that way essentially backtracking 4, it's not nearly as far away as if it had gone this way. So it will never backtrack if it's going to get to its furthest away point. Okay, so what we're going to end up creating is a right angle triangle. So let's diagram our right angle triangle, and we're just going to avoid any backtracking. So it always goes, say, east and north, east and north, east and north to get to the furthest possible away position. So let's start its hole over here. Here's its hole, and we're going to diagram it. This is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6. We're going to get a little smaller here. We're going to run out of space. 7, and then this is 8. Is that 7 hours? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so that's how far away it is. Let's remove my counting. So that's where it goes in 7 hours. Okay, so this is the same. If I want to work out the distance here, it's the same as if it had gone this way. So this will make our calculations that much easier. This is 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 is 20. Okay, and this side is 3 plus 5 plus 7. 3 plus 5 plus 7 is 15. Okay, and so what is the distance this way? 25. How do I know that? Because I'm going to make you think I'm a math genius, but I'm not. I have a better way of doing this. Okay, I do 15 squared plus 20 squared. That's 225 plus 400. And then that's 625. And because I know that that's this side c squared, I'm going to square root both sides. And the square root of 625 is absolutely 25. Okay. No, that's not what I do, okay? What I do is I have my 3, 4, 5 triangle memorized, and I recognize that this is 5 times 3, and this is 5 times 3, and that's 5 times 4. So this is going to be 5 times 5 over here. Here's my 5 times 4. Here's my 5 times 3 side, okay? So I do have a buried here 3, 4, 5 triangle. And so this one is 25. And that's the easier way to do it. Okay, if you have any more questions about stuff that comes up, shoot me a message and I may make you a video like this and message it to you. Okay, bye for now everyone. Thanks for showing up for your math learning, and stay frosty.